If you're looking for a custom-built home on an estate lot like this,
all within walking distance to this and a 10-minute drive to Barrie or Aurelia.
we got all that and more on today's episode. So Jules, today we find ourselves back in Arbourwood Estates. This community is truly special. Why don't you tell everyone why it's so highly sought after?
Absolutely. Arbourwood Estates is an enclave of approximately 100 homes, all situated on large, mature lots. Easy access to the 400, minutes to Barrie, minutes to Aurelia, a short distance to Horseshoe Valley for all you outdoor enthusiasts, not to mention 2 minutes to the quaint village of Shanty Bay with access to the water and a boat launch. This location is amazing.
Yeah, that's right, Jules. The location truly does have it all. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, like you mentioned, or you're just looking for great schools, we have Shanty Bay Public School down the road, quick highway access, as well as quick access to the RVH as well. This location truly does have something for everyone, but it's not to be outdone by the community here as well. Again, Jules mentioned only 100 homes. They're all custom built, sitting on massive oversized lots. And the one we have to show you is just about as good as it gets. Over 4,300 square feet of finished space here in this custom built bungalow. You have a 7-year-old in-ground heated saltwater pool, 3-car garage. It does not get much better than this, guys. Let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing. It's 12 Walnut Drive. Welcome inside this spectacular custom-built home. Now we're almost 2,350 square feet of finished space on this level alone. And with a home of this size, the question truly becomes, where do you even begin? I think the perfect place to start this tour is in this incredible living room, dining room combination in behind me here. From the moment you walk in the front room, you feel the immensity of this home. You're greeted with 14-foot vaulted ceilings in this space, 9-foot ceilings throughout the rest of this level. And again, it's the perfect spot for entertaining. Large and open, you have a wood-burning fireplace, and it all flows beautifully into the formal dining space in behind me here, which is absolutely bathed in natural light from these huge oversized windows. Plus you have a wet bar. This is going to be the perfect spot to entertain on family Thanksgivings and Christmases. Whether you have a large family or a small one, this is going to be the spot to do it.
Speaking of entertaining, if you're hosting all those family gatherings, you're gonna need a space to prep those meals, and this kitchen is perfection. With professional grade appliances, custom cabinetry, and Caesar stone countertops, there's plenty of space to prep. But if you prefer more casual dining or need a space for your day-to-day meals, this kitchen also features a built-in dining area with vaulted ceilings, and it's flooded in natural light.
Now, the thing I love most about this incredible home is the layout itself. It's a split floor plan, which means that the primary bedroom is on the opposite side of the house to the 2 remaining bedrooms, giving you absolute privacy. And what custom-built home is complete without an absolutely stellar primary? Well, this one does not disappoint either. It's massive in size, has a huge walk-in closet, plus a 5-piece ensuite, not to mention you're overlooking your incredible backyard.
Speaking of incredible backyards, this one does not disappoint. But to truly appreciate it, I think you need the sunshine, and this rain has got to go.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with.
Now that's better. I wish it was always this easy to get instant summer.
That's right, guys. Now here we are right in the middle of August. The weather could not be more perfect, and neither could this yard. Now the beauty of having a yard this size is that there are multiple different spaces to enjoy here with friends and family, but we don't want to just talk about it, we want to show you. Follow us.
There's plenty of relaxing spots for those shade lovers.
And even more space for those sun seekers.
There's room for a fire pit for those cooler evenings and those campfire s'mores.
And even more space for the kids to enjoy.
That was stellar. There's shady spots for the kids to play.
And plenty of room for fruit trees and vegetable gardens for all you green thumbs.
And even with all that, there's still enough room for this enormous sized L-shaped pool, which we should mention is only 7 years new.
That's right, Jules. This backyard truly is an oasis, but one thing we haven't even touched on yet is just how private and mature this lot is here. You have almost an acre and it is fully fenced in the backyard here, which is super rare to find. Plus, you have a ton of mature trees and foliage, offering great privacy between neighbors. Now, I think we've touched on enough of this backyard. Let's get inside and see the rest of this house. Rounding out the main level are two more terrific sized bedrooms, another 5-piece bath, as well as main floor laundry.
If you're looking for more space to entertain and host guests, this lower level does not disappoint. Featuring over 2,000 square feet of living space centered around this large rec room, which features a stone fireplace with gas insert, I can't think of a better place to relax and unwind with family and friends.
Now, if you're like most people and you have friends and family that don't want the evening to end, this lower level features 3 additional bedrooms plus a 4-piece bath. But something we should talk about as well here is the separate entry from the garage into this lower level and some of the unfinished space that you don't see here. There's another large principal room which could easily be a 4th bedroom, extra storage, or a workshop, or it could easily be converted over to a kitchen, making this the perfect in-law suite for those family members that truly do not want to leave. So Jules, we had a lot to cover here today. Let's go over some of the highlights of this incredible home. We have over 4,300 square feet in this impressive custom-built bungalow. We're sitting on nearly an acre lot, which is fully fenced in the rear yard with a 7-year-old in-ground heated saltwater pool. And we're in one of the most exclusive communities in Shanty Bay. We're 5 minutes from the city of Barrie, and we're just steps from the shores of Lake Simcoe.
That's right, Adam. This home truly is perfection. We're the Knowles Woolsey team and we know Arbourwood. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.